In today's video, I'll be showing you how to disable the Time Broker service in Windows 10. If I open up my Task Manager and then go to Services and then open up the services and then find the Time Broker service, you may have already noticed that you cannot disable the Time Broker service within the services. That's because you need to do it within the registry. So to do this, all we need to do is open up the Start menu, and you now need to type in regedit and open up the registry editor. But before we go any further, I would now recommend that you back up your registry. I will put a link in the description below to a video that I've done showing you how to do this, because if you do anything wrong within the registry, then you could end up messing up Windows. So also just make sure you have backed up any important data before doing this. We now need to expand H key local machine. We then need to expand system, and you now need to expand current control set. And you now need to expand services. Once you've expanded services, you now need to type in T and go down to TimeBrokerSvc. We are now looking for the key that says Start. You need to right click on the Start key and then click on Modify. You now need to change this value to 4 and then press OK. So this will now disable the Time Broker service. If you do want to re-enable the service, then just simply go back to this location in the registry editor, then right click and go modify, and then change the value data to 3. Okay, so once you have changed the value to 4, we now need to restart our Windows 10 computer. Once you have restarted Windows, if I now right click on the taskbar and then go to Task Manager and then click on Services, Open Services, and if I now go down to the Time Broker service and then right click on it and go to Properties, as you can see the service is currently stopped and it's disabled. So there we go. That is how you disable the Time Broker service in Windows 10. I hope this tutorial has helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did, click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.